BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Hello, my friends. Today, I'm drawing a beautiful house. At first, I'm drawing its roof.
Kitchens where yummy smells begin. Breakfast and lunch and family grin. The living room is cozy and bright. Perfect for games or a story at night.
I draw a chimney.
My happy house, a place so sweet. Rooms for playing, rooms for my feet. Up the stairs and through the hall.
I'm drawing the door
Best house, biggest and small.
and a heart on it. And I'm drawing the windows.
Stars peek out, snuggled in blankets, no need to shout. Bathroom bubbles splish and splash.
There are two windows at this house.
My happy house, a place so sweet. Rooms for playing,
I
rooms
draw
for
flowers.
my feet. Up the stairs and through the hall. It's the best house, biggest and small.
I draw an apple tree.
Windows and doors let the sun shine through. Sometimes a bird comes to
Do you
say
like to eat apples?
I've gotten to
Look, there are many apples.
my
I'm drawing a swing.
up to the sky. My happy house, a place so sweet. Rooms for playing, rooms for my feet. Up the stairs and through the hall. It's the best house, biggest and small. I love my house, it's the best to see. My friends and
Let's coloring with yellow.
my house is special, come and see. Let's sing a song, just you and me.
Red,
Kitchen is yummy where we eat. Yummy food and happy feet.
gray,
Living room is where we play. Toys and friends every
Blue.
day. A wonderful house, the best in town. Lots of rooms to run around. Up the stairs and down the hall. My house is fun for big and small. My house is fun for big and small. My house is special, best you see. So many rooms for you and many. Let's take a tour and see.
yellow,
Get ready for fun for day long. Yay! Up the stairs
Red.
with a skip and a hop to find more rooms at the top. My happy house with rooms so bright. A place to laugh day and night. Bedroom with stars up in the sky, cozy and warm. Where I say goodnight. Outside flowers grow and birds come sing. Getting clean in a soapy bash. Doors and windows.
I want to live in this beautiful house. Don't you want to?
Welcome bubbles swish and splash. Getting clean and soapy bash. Doors and windows big and small. Sunshine peaks and welcoming all. Garden
Pink.
outside where flowers grow. And birds come to sing.
Yellow,
Hello, my happy
Green.
house with rooms so bright. A place to laugh
brown,
day and night. Bedroom with stars up in the sky, cozy and warm. Where I say goodnight, out loud say goodnight.
orange,
Where flowers grow and birds come to sing. Hello,
red,
hello, my happy, singing rose with me. Paint and sing and dance with me.
dark green,
Happy house is the best for me. Hello, hello, come take a
spring
look.
green color,
Happy house just like the book. So many stories, rooms to explore. Let's start our journey and learn some more. Kitchens where yummy smells begin. Breakfast and lunch and family grin. The living room
This
is
house
cozy
is
and
so
bright.
lovely.
Perfect for games or a story
And the
at
ground with
night.
green.
My happy house, a place so sweet. Rooms for playing, rooms for my
Gray,
up the stairs and through the hall.
Our house looks amazing. It's ready to live in. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.